Get the latest evolution in washing technology with the Hotpoint Aqualtis AQ113F497 washing machine, available in white with ice or tungsten door color options. Boasting a huge 11 kilogram capacity and a fast 1400 variable spin speed, this Aqualtis washing machine has a host of intelligent features to provide total care for your clothes. More energy efficient than ever before, this new washing machine features an Energy A Triple Plus rating. It also has a dedicated Eco Wash function, saving you around 50 to 70% in energy. Discover longer lasting colour for your clothes with the new Colour Care cycles, which maintain a constant temperature throughout the wash, which helps protect colour and reduces the aging of clothes while still delivering outstanding cleaning. The powerful anti-allergy action neutralizes allergens and ensures traces of detergent are reduced from clothes to protect delicate skin, and has the Allergy UK seal of approval. Whilst other wash cycles include the Wool cycle with the highest platinum accreditation from Woolmark, Duvet and Steam Hygiene, other convenient features include a digital display, 24-hour delay timer and a child lock. Hotpoint. Our ideas, your home.